After receiving the product, check if all the accessories are complete. Stainless steel drip pan, stainless steel spatula, power cord, shawarma grill machine, stainless steel sink, grilling rack, black rubber foot pads, liquefied gas pressure regulator hose. Install the stainless steel sink on the top of the machine and secure it using screws. Install the grilling rack and insert it into the stainless steel drip pan. Power cord controls the power switch. Requires connection to propane or natural gas. Secure it onto the machine.